Okay. So here's your sketch sheet. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your paper over and you're going to fold it into 4 sections, in half and then in half again. Okay? You're going to label the back side. You're going to label the back side. Shape, line, line, direction, and texture. Okay? You're going to draw 4 different shapes. So I might want to do a circle, I might want to do a square, I might want to do the teardrop shape, and maybe I want to do an organic shape, so just kind of a lumpy shape. Okay. Now, I want to choose a line that goes along with this design, okay? So maybe that line is a wavy line. Maybe that line is a straight line. Maybe that line is a zigzag line. Maybe that line is a curved line, okay? Line direction. Maybe I want my direction to be straight. Maybe I want my direction to be diagonal. Maybe I want my direction to be horizontal. And maybe I want my direction to be diagonal again, okay? Direction. Next, texture. Maybe I want to do that little circle texture, the one where you impress the little circles. That would be cool. Maybe for this one, I want to do those little lines all over the place. Maybe for this one, I want to do those dragon scales. Okay, and then for this one, I like the circle texture again. I really like that texture. All right, so I've got a shape, a line, a direction, and a texture. You're gonna start by doing your lines, okay? My lines are gonna be straight, and are vertical, and they're going to be wavy. Okay, so I'm gonna do, in this section, I'm gonna make vertical wavy lines. Okay, and then I'm gonna add thickness.
Are you gonna put this on glass?
Yes. Okay, now I want these to be pushed out. So I'm going to draw lines to designate that those are pushed out. Okay, those lines are pushed out. Okay, now I'm going to do my shapes. All right, so my shapes can be large, they can be small, but I'm only doing circles because that's how we're creating that unity, remember? And maybe I want them to come over here. All right? Okay, so I've got my shape, I've got my line direction, and now I need to do my texture. I want my texture to be on my raised pieces. So I'm gonna do my texture on my raised pieces. Okay, this is my flat piece. If I were to make this standing, this is then going to be wrapped like this, right? So when I'm drawing it standing, I'm only drawing a small section, okay? So oval at the top, curve at the bottom, 2 straight lines, okay? And then I'm just drawing exactly what's right here. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, pushed out. Okay, does that make sense?